So the baits that we like to use when we're fishing a natural lake like this that are super clear, and we all have these lakes all over the Midwest that are gin clear. You know, it's kind of intimidating at times to actually pull up to a lake like that and to have the confidence to catch fish. So a couple things that we like to do to have more success. Standby baits, of course, jigging a minnow, okay? Jigging a leech, jigging a crawler. But we're here in the fall this time of year, so we're concentrating more on minnows. Color-wise, it really doesn't matter, but I like to stay more natural. You know, you're playing lead heads, your black, your blues, your purples in this gin clear water. Whenever we locate fish on a live scope or any type of forward imaging, if those fish are not reacting to a bait when we cast it out there, the next thing we do before we leave is to try and fire them up with some type of glide bait. Jigging wraps, of course, and any kind of glide bait, Johnny darters, shiver minnows, all those work. I once again keep them in a clear water pattern, something more natural. Try and get those fish to trigger, to get them active, to get them chasing things. That's how you get a school fired up. Of course, you got to keep your distance when you're trying to catch these fish. This is not a time or place when you want to drop vertical on top of them. If you can get them out there a long ways, see them on forward imaging, make long casts. Generally, we like to target them at about 60 to 70 feet is when we start casting to them, and stay off of them. That's how you're going to have more success on the water in the fall. So keep that in mind. Number one, use just plain jigs and minnows. Can't get them fired up with that, don't leave before firing up a little glide bait action, and you should have some more success chasing them in the fall.